Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for coming or listening to us today. First of all, my name is Habibie Tafauzi, and my friend alongside me is Davin Ryan Sakil, Dewangga Ihza Pamungkas, and Haryo are going to represent our semiotic analysis of three advertisement. First of all, what is the purpose of this analysis? As we, as the future linguists, need to dive deeper into our surrounding, especially regarding to words and symbol. It surrounds us. Just look at your phone, your media social, everything have meaning in their logo, symbol, sign, and also their words. And we as linguists need to understand this so we won't be steered as masses, but we are the one who do the steering. Now, let me introduce to you our three selected advertisement for this analysis. First of all, the Adidas FIFA World Cup 2006 ads, the Pepsi ads, and also the Coca-Cola ads, as all three are poster type advertisement. Now we need to set our parameters or our boundaries of our analysis. For today analysis, we use three type of sign: icon, symbols, index. After that, we give our interpretation of the notation, connotation, and the message and the objective of this advertisement. So first of all, what is icon? Icon is a mode that in which the signifier is perceived as resembling or imitating the signified, being similar in possessing some of its quality. What about symbols? Well, symbols is a mode in which the signifier does not resemble the signified, but which is fundamentally arbitrary. Index is a mode which the signifier is not arbitrary. Get the gist of it? Well, let me put it in an example so you can understand it better. So, in our first advertisement, the Adidas FIFA World Cup 2006 with the slogan of "Impossible is nothing." The ads have a symbol. First, let me rephrase it. In our first advertisement, the Adidas FIFA World Cup 2006, the symbol is with the slogan "Impossible is nothing." Why? The symbol used in this advertisement is a sign that has an arbitrary or conventional relationship with what it represents, meaning that it must be learned. The Adidas logo is recognized worldwide and represent the brand association and with sport and athletic performance. The slogan "Impossible is nothing" symbolizes motivation and overcoming performance. An idea is not inherently linked to the word or the brand itself, but has been culturally developed over the time through Adidas marketing campaign. So, what about the icon? The icon of this advertisement is the ball that the boys hold, the football. The icon resembles or imitates the object it represents. In this case, the ball is directly look like an actual object it signified. The ball is the key object in football, like we need to score the goal with the ball. It visually represents the sport, immediately connect viewers to the idea of playing footballs. Lastly, the index. Well, the index of the advertisement is the legends of the game on the poster. All the people with a lot different national kit on the back facing the boy. An index is a sign that shows evidence of the concept it refers to, often through a casual or physical connection. The presence of this well-known player, the legend, serves as an index of high-level professionalism in football. The group formation implies that the boy can potentially join them, indicating the connection to teamwork, aspiration, and inclusivity, which align with the brand slogan. So the denotation meaning of this ad is a young boy standing alone, holding a football, facing a large group of famous or legendary players who are gathered in front of him. The players are wearing various jersey or national kits, indicating they come from a different country and team. The setting appears to be dusty informal soccer field. There's a logo center with plus 10 in the bottom right corner, which displayed along with the slogan "Impossible is Nothing." Meanwhile, the connotation meaning is hope and dream. As the boy holding the ball, looking at the all international player, the legendary one, that will be on the FIFA World Cup that year, as he might be one of them someday. That also the reason why there's a 10 plus as he is the 11th player next. Also, as a unity from the sport, as people from many nations gather as one to play this beautiful game called football. Just like I said, with the connotation of the unity for the people of the sport, it gives global unity. As no matter where and what culture you are from, we are one in football. The message of this advertisement is clear that we should come together from every background and let's celebrate this beautiful game called football that can unite us as one, and this ad is targeted to the whole world, especially kids, and they are the next generation that represent the country. That's the analysis of the first advertisement. Next advertisement.
Okay, the second ad is a poster about Coca-Cola advertisement. From this poster, we can clearly see a silhouette of a dog and a cat, a silhouette of a bottle, and a phrase. The icon of this poster is the silhouette of a bottle. Why is the silhouette of a bottle an icon? Because Coca-Cola is a soft drink that uses bottle as its packaging. And the silhouette of the bottle on this poster is the silhouette of the Coca-Cola bottle. The index of this poster is the phrase that reads, "Happiness makes friends." The phrase represents the message that by drinking Coca-Cola, people will become happy and reconciled. Therefore, they will become friends. The symbol of this poster is the silhouette of a dog and a cat. Dogs and cats are usually depicted as two hostile creatures, whether in movies, novels, or cartoons. Culturally, people have the same understanding if they see dogs and cats together. Because they are used to being portrayed as enemies, so people will interpret the silhouette as hostile. The denotative meaning of this poster includes the silhouette of a dog and a cat depicting two four-legged animals with coarse fur and fine fur, respectively sitting while facing each other. The phrase, "happiness makes friends," means that with happiness we can make friends with others. The silhouette of a bottle depicts the packaging bottle commonly used by Coca-Cola. Connotatively, the dog and cat silhouettes depict hostile people like dogs and cats who never get along. The phrase "happiness makes friends" implies that if we drink Coca-Cola, we will get happiness and we will be able to make friends with others because of that happiness. The silhouette of the bottle illustrates that with the characteristic red colors and the Coca-Cola writing in the middle of the bottle, the silhouette is a Coca-Cola packaging bottle. Its placement in the middle of the dog and cat silhouettes also suggests that the thing that can bring happiness between two hostile creatures is Coca-Cola. Socially and culturally, dogs and cats are a depiction of hostility. People have the same view of these two animals if they are placed together. People also know that Coca-Cola is refreshing soft drink, and this freshness is thought to reduce the tension in people who are hostile. So, by drinking Coca-Cola, it is hoped that people who are at war will feel refreshed and happy so that the hostility between them will disappear. The message to be conveyed has been explained previously. By drinking Coca-Cola, it is hoped that people who are at war will feel refreshed and happy so that the hostility between them will disappear. The target audience for this advertisement is people who are hostile and also people in general. By showing silhouettes of dogs and cats, people will immediately realize that this ad is about hostility. The red color in the background, which is characteristic of Coca-Cola, will make people quickly realize that this is an advertisement from Coca-Cola.
The ad likely features iconic imagery of Pepsi alongside popular food like burgers from McDonald's, Burger King, or Wendy's. These are icons because they directly resemble the real-life items they represent and make the product pairing visually appetizing. The logos of Pepsi and this fast food chain serve as icons, instantly recognizable and associated with their respective brands. Pepsi logos red, white, and blue colors symbolize brand identity and are culturally recognizable as part of American popular culture. This symbol of popular fast food chain convey the idea of American dining habits and are used to juxtapose Pepsi as a beverage choice within that culture. The appearance of popular fast food item in the ad suggests that Pepsi is natural or complementary choice when consuming these meals, appealing to a sensory association that implies satisfaction. The denotative meaning of this poster is the advertisement shows burger from major fast food chain like McDonald's, Burger King, and Wendy's, paired with Pepsi's. The burgers are placed on what appears to be crumpled paper bags that reveal hidden Pepsi logo, created by the creases in the wrapping paper. The tagline "Better with Pepsi" suggests that this burger tastes better when consumed with Pepsi. The connotative meaning is the creased paper subtly forming the Pepsi logo suggests that even fast food brands associated with other soft drinks are at their core better with Pepsi. It implies that Pepsi's brand can integrate into the experience of these competitor brands in a subtle but undeniable way. The ad evokes a playful challenge to Coca-Cola, which is traditionally paired with these fast food brands, suggesting Pepsi as a superior or equally satisfying alternative. The hidden logo conveys Pepsi's presence and appeal, even if it's not overtly featured on the menu. Socially and culturally, the ad resonates with the fast food culture prevalent in many parts of the world, where convenience and taste are prioritized, and pairing meals with a soft drink is standard. The clever hidden Pepsi logo speaks to the audience who appreciate subtly and wit in advertising, positioning Pepsi as a brand that confident in its appeal even where it's not directly featured. The Better with Pepsi's ad likely aims to convey that Pepsi is the ideal pairing for popular fast food item, specifically burgers from well-known fast food chains, by visually aligning itself with recognizable brands or iconic item. Pepsi is suggesting that its product enhance the overall meal experience and offer a satisfying, refreshing complement to the food. This message plays on the familiarity and enjoyment associated with fast food dining, framing Pepsi as the natural, preferred choice over the other beverage. And Pepsi aims to position itself as a superior beverage option when paired with fast food, implying it enhances the dining experience. The ad may subtly challenge or contrast with its competitor by implying that Pepsi offers something unique in this pairing: flavor, refreshment, or compatibility that rivals cannot.
So to summarize, ads use denotation, literal and connotation, implied meaning to shape the audience perspective. For example, the first ads, a boy holding a ball looking at the many international players that connotes dreams and unity. The second ads, the silhouettes of cats and dogs that known for their hostility to each other comes together to Coca-Cola as it connotes freshness, and with Coca-Cola everyone will be together. And lastly, the Pepsi ads that says better with Pepsi, creating a connote that whatever it is, it will be better with Pepsi. Here we can understand that everything, visually or action, can deliver a deep message. Just like the quote, actions speak louder than words. This can be implied to the semiotics that picture or symbols is louder than words. So it's important for us as linguists to understand visual communication.
I think that's all from us. Thank you.